Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to stop Windows 11 collecting your data so you can improve privacy and limit background tracking. We will turn off the main data collection features in the latest Windows 11 version. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Turn off Improve Inking and Typing. Scroll down and click Delete Diagnostic Data. Go back and click General under Windows Permissions. Turn off Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Turn off Let Websites Show Me Locally Relevant Content. Turn off Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Turn off Show Me Suggested Content in the Settings app. Now click Speech. Turn off online speech recognition if you do not use voice features. Go back and click Search Permissions. Turn off Cloud Content Search for Microsoft account and work or school account. Click Clear Device Search History. Restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.